Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE V40 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, let's open up our settings, and in here, let me just back out of here. So in here, once you're at the main settings page, you will want to navigate all the way to the bottom to System. And in System, we can select Reset Options, which is the last option. Now, before I do so, I do want to quickly give you a little heads up, as this process will remove all the data that is being stored on your phone. So if you have anything here that you would like to back up, let's get to that right before we get to the reset. And you do have the option to back it up right here. You can click on it, and this will be done through only Google. Now, personally, it's something that I don't like to do myself, but if you don't have any other options, it will work. Just know that basically what you're doing is creating a cloud backup of data that Google allows you to back up, as it's not going to be everything. For instance, it's not going to back up applications that are third-party from like alternative places, let's say GitHub. So what it does technically with the applications, it's not backing the apps themselves. What it's doing is getting a snapshot of what your phone has installed, and as long as that thing is installed from Play Store, it will just know that this application is from Play Store, and it's going to save that info. Later on, when you're restoring, what it's going to tell the device when it's being restored is to re-download the said application from Play Store, where it originated from. But if you got a one from GitHub, or even the application might exist on the Play Store, but it wasn't from there on your device, it's not going to download it. So in this kind of aspect, Google Backup is an absolute piece of shit and useless garbage. So I recommend just grabbing a cable, plugging it in, and then creating a backup that way by moving over the data that you wish to capture. Unfortunately, in terms of applications, it's not going to be this easy to back them up. Maybe some kind of applications would allow you to, but you can't really drag them over and drop them. But in terms of photos, videos, and just user data generally, I feel like this is going to be a much better solution, as number one, it's being stored on your personal computer instead of Google's. It's going to be available only to you, unlike the cloud backup that Google will most likely, assuming, would train their AI models with. And additionally, because European Union has laws for maintaining personal data for a reasonable amount of time, I don't exactly know how they're calling this law, but whatever. It basically forces companies to delete the backup, from their storage if it's not being used between like 2 or 3 years or so. So if you don't use it, touch it for that period of time, it's going to be completely gone right after it was used to obviously train AI models. So all in all, it's a shitty way to back up your device, and I would highly recommend using a cable and doing it manually. Therefore, almost everything that is a negative here gets kind of like removed. So anyway, let's move back here and then move back to the reset options. As I have nothing here that I wanted to back up, so I can move over to then erasing all data, factory reset, and this will present me with a list of data that will be removed. That's why you want to do the backup. Now, importantly, it only does what matters here is the things like music, photos, and all user data instead of other. And again, nothing here to back up, so I'm just going to select erase all data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you do need to confirm it. There we go. It just assesses the process once more, letting me know that everything will be removed. So anyway, erase all data, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. This process will take probably 1 to 2 minutes to finish up, and when it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.